Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The people living the life you dream about didn't wait until they felt ready. They started scared. They started with doubts. They started with what they had. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence is created by action. Every small step you take today is building the person you'll become tomorrow. Believe in yourself before the world believes in you. Your future is waiting.
Wow, were you touched by that motivational speech? Because I was. So if you were, please let's hear in the comment section. Okay, guys, the video you just watched was created entirely using AI and with completely free AI tools. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about motivational videos. Motivational videos are videos that are evergreen, meaning at all period in time, people are going to be watching because at all period in time, people get frustrated, people get lost, people get depressed. Life is unfair. That's the fact. Okay, so if you're looking into getting started with faceless content creation towards this niche, then you stumbled on the right video because in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process I use in able to create what you just watched. Okay, so don't skip any part of this video because any single part you skip can ruin you the whole process. So without further ado, let me take you to my screen and let's start cooking. Okay, guys, so we're going to go through the entire process, like I said. So we're going to go through all the prompts I use, okay, how I was able to develop my prompts, okay. So starting with my first prompt, which I use, here it goes. I want to start creating motivational short videos like this. So I went to TikTok and found a motivational video and I referenced the video right here. So this, you can just go to TikTok or any social media platform, just copy a motivational video and you come and replace it right here. So the link to this prompt will be in the video description. So I've structured the prompt right inside this document and I'll leave it in the video description. If you want to use the prompt, you can just access it right there. Okay, so let's continue. I want to have my two unique models I will be using for my separate videos. They should be African American. Give me the prompts to create that. My audience is 20 to 40 years. I want to have two characters, male and female. Give me the prompts to create the characters as well. So what I did, I just copied this prompt and to ChatGPT and paste it right there. So this is it as I pasted. As you can see for yourself, I want to start creating motivational short videos, blah 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 blah. So I pasted it here, and this is what ChatGPT gave me, and I wasn't really satisfied with ChatGPT gave me. So as you can see, this is what it gave: chapter one, Marcos, and I wasn't really feeling it. So I went down again. I said, give me but the prompt to give AI so it can generate me the workflow. Okay. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. AI prompt, create a complete workflow for my motivational short plan. Guys, bear with me. The all the prompts I use, all the updated prompts I use are in the document I will be leaving in the video description. So now I said my audience is 20 to 40 years. I want to have two characters, male and female. Give me the prompt to create the characters as well. Okay. So as you can see, this is the prompt right here. My audience is 20 to 40 years. I want to have two characters, male and female. Give me the prompt to create the characters as well. Okay. So as you can see, we have character one, Marcus, and then we have character two, Maya, because I told ChatGPT to give me a male and female image character generation prompt. So this is it. Okay. So now I said my characters will always be seated when talking. So ChatGPT updated the prompt, which I also updated it right here in a male character image prompt. So we'll be going through this prompt in a bit, but I just want to show you how I was able to develop all my prompts so you can maybe be able to go through the same process to develop your prompt in your own style. Okay. So this is it right here. We have character one, Marcos, and we have character two, Maya. So I went down again, I said, now give me the visual generation prompt and the speech. So now we want to generate the prompts we'll be using to convert our images to video. Okay. So as you can see, and I also said it should give me the image generation prompt and the speech. So this is the speech right here. So This is the speech that you watched earlier, which says, "Stop waiting for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist." The people living the life you dream about didn't wait until they felt ready. They started scared, they started with doubt, they started with what they had. Confidence doesn't come before action, confidence is created by action. Every small step you take today is building the person you become tomorrow. So this is the speech you heard during you know earlier in the complete video. Okay, so this is it. Believe in yourself before the world believes in you. Your future is waiting. So this is the speech we use for our motivational video. This is the speech. So now I want you to create the characters now. Since ChatGPT already has the prompt to generate the character. So I just told ChatGPT create a collage image of two characters in white in a white background. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. And the two characters were just flooded everywhere. So I didn't really like that. And then I said it should just be one image of the man and one image of the woman. So this is what ChatGPT gave us, and I was really satisfied with this. So as you can see, this is the image of Marcus and Maya. So I was really satisfied with this. So I just downloaded the image onto my device. So now I want to crop the images so that we have two separate images. Okay. So I want to crop the images so that we have two separate images. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to open the image and then click on edit and then crop the image of the man and then save it as a copy. Make sure you save it as a copy so that you won't lose the original image. So now I'll just go back and open the original image and then crop Maya as well, and then I can now save it. Can I just click on save? So now we have our two different characters waiting. The prompts to the character generation will be in the document in the description. Okay. So now I said create three different scenes. So the reason why we said it should create us three different scenes is because we want to facilitate the workflow for AI when it's generating the video. So since the speech is quite lengthy and the AI tool we'll be using cannot really produce one scene, one video and be able to generate all the speech at once. Okay, so we want to create it in three different scenes so that we'll be able to join the three different scenes together and it will give us an almost perfect result as you saw at the beginning. So now that we have our images for the man and for the woman, this is a prompt right here. If you want to generate the images, you can just come and copy these prompts right here. The man, the male character image prompt and then the female character image prompt. If you just copy it and you paste it, you'll be able to get an almost same result. Okay, so you just copy it and you can paste it in any image generation tool. Okay, so this is the image generation prompt for the female, so you can copy it as well and you just paste it in any image generation tool. Okay, now this is our male video generation prompt. Okay, let's go through our male video generation prompt detailing and see how it looks like. So this is how it goes. Create an ultra realistic cinematic motivational video featuring the same African American man, African American businessman used throughout this motivational series. The recurring host of my motivational series, Important, use the exact same African American businessman used throughout the motivational series. Character from all previous generations. Do not change his face, age, hairstyle, beard, skin tone, body proportions, clothing style, voice, personality, or overall appearance. He must remain instantly recognizable throughout the series. The video consists of three cinematic scenes with seamless transition. Now we have the hook. Location. The same fictional African American businessman used throughout this motivational series is seated behind his signature premium walnut executive desk inside his luxury executive office overlooking a modern city skyline during golden hour. The office layout, furniture, decorations, lighting, and atmosphere must remain identical to previous videos. Camera, medium shot, eye level, center framing, static camera body language, looking directly into the camera, calm breathing, natural blinking, relaxed shoulders, hand resting natural on the decks, small confident notes, subtle hand gestures, calm facial expression, emotions, confidence, wise, calm, inviting lighting, warm golden are soft cinematic shadows, Hollywood lighting. Now, this is the space for the speech. So, if you use this form and you have your own speech, you just have to come and paste your own speech where you are seeing speech right here, which our first scene, the speech is stop wasting the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The people living the life you dream about didn't wait until they felt ready. They started scared. So this is where if you have your own speech, you can just paste it right here and you'll be good to go. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to copy this and go to our video generation tool. Okay. So just copy this and head on to your browser and just search Flow AI. Once you search Flow AI, you'll see Google Labs right there. Just click it and it will take you to the Flow interface. Okay. Once you open it, if you're new to Flow, you just have to create an account or sign up. But if you're an existing user, you just have to click on New Project. So once you click on new project, if you are still new to Flow, you'll see right here where this agent is. You want to turn it off. And then right here where you see Nano Banana, if you're still new, you see Nano Banana right here. The mine is showing video because I've used this before. So you just have to click on video. Once you click on video, you see this, panel open. You'll see image and then you see video. We are generating by video and not image. Now we want our aspect ratio to be 9 by 16. And where you see one time, two time, three time, four time is the number of videos you want to be generating at a time. So we just want to select one time because we don't want to exhaust our credits very fast. Okay, we just want to select one time, so it's just going to uh, generate one video at a time. Okay, and when you see omni flash and you just click it and make sure view 3.1 live is selected. Okay, so once you're done with this setting, you just go back and you click on the plus icon right over there. So you just click on the plus icon. So right now we're going to be using the man, which is Marcus. We're just going to be uploading his image, and once his image is uploaded, you just want to paste the prompt, the video generation prompt we copied earlier. So you just want to paste it right over there. So once you paste the prompt, we just want to add our character into the prompt. Okay, and once you add your character into the prompt, and you just have to press enter and the video will start generating. Okay guys, while the video is generating, if you haven't subscribed here, you are watching up to this moment, please subscribe. Just take 1 second of your time and it's completely free. Okay, let's see what Flow has generated.
Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The people living the life you dream about didn't wait until they felt ready. They started scared.
Okay, so our scene 1 is ready. Now we just have to go and copy the prompt for scene 2. Without closing this, we are just going to edit this first scene. So make sure you download this scene. Okay, make sure you download this scene onto your device. Now we just want to go to our form and then we copy our scene 2. So as you can see, this is our scene 2, the message. Here it goes. Same office, same desk, same chairs, same clothes, same lighting, camera meeting, close up, show push in body language. Marcus leans slightly forward. So this is where you're supposed to paste the script for where you see speech right here, you just paste your speech. Okay, so you just copy it and head on to Flow. And why this first scene is still open, you just have to paste the scene for the scene two. You just have to paste it right there, and then once you paste it, you just have to click on enter with the arrow. So it will start generating your next scene. So it's going to use the prompt for the first scene to generate the second scene. Okay. Okay. So once the scene is finished generating, let's see what Flow has for us.
They started with doubts. They started with what they had. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence is created by action.
So our second scene is ready. Now it's time to copy our third scene, and you just have to do what we've been doing before. You just come right here. This is our third scene, which says same office, same environment, same lighting, camera close up, chest up, centered body language, hands, same everything. You just have to copy this, and where you see speech, you just paste in your speech for the third scene. Okay, once you just copy this and you head back to Flow, and then you paste it right there. So once you paste it, you just click on enter or the arrow. So once the scene is finished generating, let's open it and see what Flow did.
Every small step you take today is building the person you'll become tomorrow. Believe in yourself before the world believes in you. Your future is waiting.
Okay, guys, so now all our scenes are ready. Okay, all our scenes are ready now. Now we just have to combine them and give it some emotional background music, give it some effects, and we'll be good to go. So what we'll just want to do now is just head on to CapCut. I'll be using CapCut for this. So you just head on to CapCut and you just import all your clips. Okay, so once you import all your clips, you just have to, you know play with some editing. So as you can see, we have our music which we downloaded from this website, no copyright music, which you can use it on any social media platform and you won't get copyright strike. So you just have to combine the video from beginning to end, and we added some captions, and then we added some vignette. So this is called vignette, the dark around mark with the darkness around our character. So this is the vignette right over here. So if you want to add that, you just have to go to adjustment and then you add it. Okay, and then as you can see, we toggle it right up to 50. Edit it so that it could have some good emotional feeling. So once you're done, you just have to export your video. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to export our video. Now let's see how our end result is.
Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The people living the life you dream about didn't wait until they felt ready. They started scared. They started with doubts. They started with what they had. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence is created by action. Every small step you take today is building the person you'll become tomorrow. Believe in yourself before the world believes in you. Your future is waiting.
So we've come to the end. If you found value in any way, please give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share with a friend that you think is in need. And if you have any comments, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Stay blessed, stay safe. See you in the next one.